The 10th seeks to dismantle democracy and turn people toward dictatorship by exploiting liberal and freedom-based slogans, eventually establishing an authoritarian rule under full control. The 11th introduces the idea of universal governance, a system that appears global, but serves only specific interests, rooted deeply through Freemasonry so that no nation dares to rebel even in the face of injustice. The 12th highlights the capture of media, creating a parallel state where censorship silences opponents, selective news molds public opinion, and only chosen narratives are allowed to spread. The 13th claims the masses will be distracted by entertainment, games, and meaningless disputes so they never question real issues, keeping their minds under control. The 14th speaks of destroying morality through pornography and materialism, eliminating religious ethics entirely. The 15th describes using Freemasonry for political power, eliminating opponents ruthlessly and turning strong enemies against one another to weaken them. The 16th focuses on controlling education by reshaping curricula to suppress independent thought, promoting obedience over critical thinking until genuine knowledge disappears. The 17th envisions corrupting the legal system and religious leaders, eroding public trust so that people depend solely on the new order. The 18th explains how freedom of speech will be encouraged but used to spread unrest in rival states, organizing rebellion and chaos to justify a new system. The 19th shows how propaganda will deceive the public, making them see their submissive rulers as saviors, while genuine leaders are forced to defend themselves against false accusations. The 20th and 21st protocols discuss the economic web of control through debt, taxation, and interest, enslaving both citizens and governments under financial institutions that remain in hidden hands, while markets, bonds, and loans keep entire nations bound by obligation. The 22nd describes presenting this rule as a blessing, making people believe that even under oppression their hope lies with their rulers, reinforcing the idea of a chosen people. The 23rd claims that absolute obedience to rulers will be portrayed as the greatest virtue so that people willingly accept servitude and never rebel. The final protocol predicts that eventually the world will accept a single ruler, a Jewish king, before whom all nations will bow, marking the ultimate stage of global domination.